Okay, so let's do these lips. So I'm just gonna let this run out of time because that will mean I've done 10 minutes or a little less because I've been talking, but yeah, 3 minutes each eye. And the lips are really easy. Now, if you want to pull out lip lines, you can do this. Pull, you apply a little bit more pressure, pulling out those lip lines, or yeah, on the other side. And I think for lip lines, you want to do some exfoliation as well if you want to get the full effect. Make sure that skin hasn't built up on our face, and when we have an excess amount of dead cellular tissue on our face, that makes any wrinkle look like a mountain. So we want to exfoliate. And a great exfoliation for that is just the enzyme rescue. Love that. It's great for sensitized skins. It's got Japanese green tea, comfrey. So it has a lot of skin soothers in it. And so when I have a new client, this is one of the products I like to use on them. So you can use this on the red part too, but use it sparingly. This is a strong, strong device. You can see how they're gaining some plump. Okay, so it's turned it off. It turned off by itself after 10 minutes. I'm gonna take a still shot of before and after, and you're gonna see that here. Anyway, this is called the Eye and Lip Pro Plus. It is my brand. Comes with a cute little stand, just like this. And I really, really stand behind this device. I think you're going to love it because I've never seen an eye device with so many different modalities. So it's like throwing everything at it. So if you've got tired muscles, it's got EMS and RF to wake those up. If you've got thin skin, it's got LED and RF to thicken up that skin. I mean, if you've got crow's feet, it also thickens up the skin. So it does everything. So before and after, and you'll see that here. Anyway, this is available in the store today.